Today, we're making a bold and aromatic vegan Tom Yum Noodle Soup. No fish sauce, no shrimp broth, just plant-based goodness packed with flavor. First, heat a tablespoon of sesame oil. Toss in minced garlic, ginger, and a sliced Thai chili or any chili you prefer. Sauté just a minute until fragrant. Since this is a brothy soup, I like to use a high-quality vegetable-based paste to make the veggie broth. I pour the broth along with some other ingredients, including the smashed lemongrass stalks. If you have none, use 1 teaspoon of lemon zest for a citrusy touch. Drop the kaffir lime leaves into a spice ball for easy removal later. As an alternative, use a bay leaf and some lime zest. Let it simmer for about 10-15 minutes. Now, add the vegetables. Feel free to customize by adding your favorites or skipping any you're not a fan of. Simmer for another 10 minutes until tender. While that simmers, prepare your rice noodles according to the package. Most only need a quick soak in hot water. I cook mine separately so they don't soak up too much broth. Remove the lemongrass and lime leaves. For that signature creamy, tangy finish, stir in coconut milk and fresh lime juice. Taste and adjust with soy sauce or a pinch of salt if needed. Time to serve. Place the noodles in bowls, ladle the broth and veggies over the top, then garnish with fresh bean sprouts, sliced green onions, and Thai basil. And there you have it, a delicious, fragrant, vegan Tom Yum Noodle Soup ready in under 30 minutes. Simple, cozy, and packed with flavor. Try it and let me know how you like it on the post.